Have you ever thought about turning a simple avocado into rich, creamy ice cream? Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade avocado ice cream that's smooth, naturally sweet, and honestly tastes just as good as anything you'd find in a shop, minus the guilt. It's simple, it's healthy, and it comes together with just a few everyday ingredients. Let's get started. To start our ice cream, we need a nice creamy base. Grab 2 ripe avocados, slice them in half, and carefully remove the pits. Peel away the skin and chop the flesh into small, manageable pieces. These avocados are really the secret to our rich texture. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, making this dessert every bit as nutritious as it is delicious. Once they're prepped, go ahead and add all those beautiful green pieces straight into your blender. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This does double duty. It adds a bright, zesty flavor while also keeping our mixture from oxidizing, so it stays that perfect light green color. Now, for a bit of natural sweetness, add 1 ripe banana. The riper your banana is, the sweeter your ice cream will turn out. It also helps smooth out the texture and adds a wonderful, balanced aroma that pairs perfectly with the avocado. Now, secure the lid and blend everything until it's completely smooth and silky. Watch as it transforms into a thick, vibrant green cream right before your eyes. This base is now perfectly prepared, smooth, naturally sweet, and ready to be turned into our final ice cream. Now that our avocado mixture is ready, let's create the velvety base for our ice cream. Pour 1 1/4 cups, about 300 milliliters of chilled whipping cream into a large mixing bowl. This is the key to that signature, store-bought richness, right in your own kitchen. Using an electric mixer, beat the cream steadily until it turns light, airy, and slightly thickened. Whipping the cream beforehand isn't just for show, it's a crucial step that helps prevent large ice crystals from forming as the dessert freezes. This is what gives your finished treat that consistently soft, cloud-like luxurious texture in every single scoop. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Slowly pour your vibrant avocado and banana base into the whipped cream. Watch as that bright green swirls into the fluffy white. It's such a beautiful, satisfying transformation. Gently stir everything together, making sure every bit of the avocado mixture fully combines with the whipped cream. You want the color to be perfectly consistent all the way through. Once the mixture is silky, smooth, and uniform, your ice cream base is officially ready for the final step. Next, carefully pour your finished mixture into a freezer-safe container and smooth out the top with a spatula. Here's a simple but effective pro tip. Gently tap the container on your counter a few times. This releases any hidden air bubbles, helping your ice cream set into a solid, smooth, professional-grade texture with no unwanted air pockets. To take this dessert to the next level, let's add some texture. Roughly chop a handful of pistachios. You want nice, chunky pieces so you can really taste them and get that satisfying crunch in every bite. Sprinkle them evenly across the top of your ice cream. They add a wonderful contrast to the creamy base. Finally, place your container into the freezer and let it set for about 4 to 6 hours. If you've got the patience, leaving it overnight is even better. It guarantees a perfectly firm scoop every time. Now just sit back and let the freezer do its thing. After a few hours in the freezer, your homemade avocado ice cream is finally ready to enjoy. Just look at that beautiful, consistent color, no ice crystals, just smooth, creamy perfection all the way through. And when you scoop it out, you'll see exactly what I mean. It has that ideal, dense, velvety texture you'd expect from a high-quality shop-bought dessert. Now, for the best part, the taste test. The texture is incredibly smooth and rich, with the avocado giving it that lovely, velvety mouthfeel. You'll really notice the natural sweetness from the banana, along with that subtle, exotic aroma from the coconut milk, and that pistachio topping. Absolutely the star of the show, adding a delightful, crunchy contrast in every single bite. Now, this ice cream is versatile enough to enjoy completely on its own, but it also pairs beautifully with other treats. Try topping it with a handful of fresh berries, a few slices of banana, or even a sprinkle of toasted coconut for an extra tropical twist. If you're in the mood for something a bit more indulgent, serve a scoop alongside warm oatmeal pancakes, or pair it with a fresh slice of banana bread. The warmth really complements the cold, creamy texture. However you decide to serve it, This is such a simple, wholesome, and satisfying way to treat yourself to something truly delicious, without any of the guilt that usually comes with dessert. And there you have it. A rich, creamy homemade avocado ice cream, made with simple, wholesome ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. No artificial additives, no complicated steps, just real food turned into something truly delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try at home, and if you do, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share it with anyone who loves a good, healthy dessert. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next recipe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.